Ah! Ah! Today is the day. We see the brand new PS5. Long awaited. I was lucky enough to get in on the first pre-order. I only just got a chance to open it now though, but I want to share this moment with you guys. I feel very fortunate. A lot of people out there struggling to get their hands on one. Sony PlayStation 5. Went for the disc-free edition. A lot of people I know still into the discs. I'm very much moved forward with the times where I am cloud-based only. So gaming for me needs to be just, yeah, all on the cloud. Minimal disc. So yeah, let's get straight on with it. Well packaged as always. It's a pleasure to open any one of Sony products. Let's see what we've got. I'm excited. So nice little separate box here. Not entirely sure what this is for. Have you touched this? Are you sure? There's a letter at the top. Dear Paddy Truman. That's my gamer tag, in case you're wondering. After careful review of receiving your latest PS5, we have come to the conclusion that your gameplay within our community is devastatingly below standard. We owe it to our community to keep quality of gamers' gameplay to the highest standard. Your combat record from Call of Duty Modern Warfare with over 24 days of solid gameplay. Guilty. Achieved an average kill-death ratio of 0.22. Yeah, really want to talk about that in front of the camera, but we're here now. So naturally concerned, we are reaching out to you to offer the chance to improve your gameplay, but you will have to start from scratch. With the original console that we have sent you. Okay, so Sony have sent me this in my PS5 box. I'm embarrassed. We have implemented a progression tracking system, which when you have achieved the target set, you will then receive your PS5. Ah! I have the box, I have the packaging, I just don't have the PS5. Ah! We trust you will understand that this is the best interest of yourself and our gaming community. Happy gaming. Ah! Shit me. It's like the PlayStation 5 was right there and it got replaced with this. I have no words. It's so year 2000, preloaded PlayStation original. With all the games that you could wish for. Grand Theft Auto 1, Tekken 3. I mean, where's my Call of Duty, man? Like, how am I ever supposed to improve my kill-death ratio when they won't even give me Call of Duty? You saying I've got to start on Tom Clancy, Rainbow Six? Rayman? Who's played Rayman? Who in 2020 is still playing Rayman? Just Paddy Truman? That's who. That is who. I don't even know if my PS4 is even going to work anymore. We better get this bad boy loaded up and start making some improvements. That's probably what's going to have to happen. Fortunately, PlayStation support have left me a contact number, so I will be on the phone to them as soon as possible. Opening hours? Yeah, they're closed. Brilliant. Ha! Ha! PS5 Digital Edition / PlayStation Original. Coming to a store near you soon, or just Paddy Truman's gaming room.